How many cups are in a pound? That's a kitchen conundrum we're cracking today. Hey there, welcome to Quick Kitchen Tips. Today we're answering a common question that many home cooks ask. How many cups are in a pound? Measuring ingredients accurately is essential in cooking and baking. But did you know that measuring cups and weight measurements don't always match? That's why it's important to have a kitchen scale handy. Let's use flour as an example. 1 cup of all-purpose flour weighs around 125 grams or 4.4 ounces. A pound of flour is equivalent to 453 grams or 16 ounces. So, 1 pound of flour is roughly equal to 3.5 cups. But wait, it gets trickier. Different ingredients have different weights. A pound of sugar, for example, is about 2.25 cups. And if you're dealing with something like butter, a pound is actually 2 cups. Crazy, right? That's why understanding the cups to pounds conversion can save you from baking blunders. Remember, using a kitchen scale is more accurate than measuring cups. That's it for today's quick kitchen tip. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more kitchen wisdom. Happy cooking!